Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics first: a true HDR panel and a recent Windows 10 build. Once those match, make sure you're plugged into the GPU with an HDMI 2.0 or DisplayPort 1.4 cable. You should update your GPU drivers now. Newer drivers fix tone mapping and color spaces. Next, open Settings and head to System Display to begin. This is where Windows exposes HDR controls. Start here to officially hand HDR control to the OS, rather than the monitor alone. Now you enable HDR in Windows. Select the HDR monitor in Display Settings. Once selected, toggle Play HDR Games and Apps on. You'll see Windows HD color settings. Use the built-in SDR/HDR slider to balance brightness and clipping. If available, change color depth to 10-bit and pick the correct color profile for your panel. Make sure HDR streaming features are set for apps you use. Some apps need separate HDR permissions. After toggling, test with HDR content to confirm visible changes. Finish by testing HDR content. An HDR video or game shows brighter highlights and richer color range. Once done, calibrate brightness, because HDR often appears dim at default SDR settings. Make sure adaptive brightness or dynamic contrast is off. If something's wrong, first update drivers and confirm your cable's bandwidth supports HDR. Then disable color management utilities that override Windows. As a single key tip, if the image is dim or washed out, toggle HDR off and on after adjusting brightness. That often forces correct tone mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.